What if you could make up to $300 a day by typing names online? This is how it works. When you type one name, like Peter, you earn money. When you type another name, like Jessica, you earn money once more. In today's video, this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, and here's how much money you can make by typing one page of names. You can earn $15 if you type 5 pages, $75 if you type 20, and $300 if you type 20 pages per day. The best part is that there is no limit. You can type as much as you want and earn as much money as you want. You can do this on your smartphone or on your computer. This is completely free and open to everybody in the world. Make sure you stay until the end to avoid missing out on the sign-up process, which is actually rather difficult that most people get it incorrectly. This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. Now, when we use the calculator on this website, we can actually estimate how much money we can earn from this brand new opportunity. Look closely at this rate per word, which means how much money you can get paid per word that you type. In this case, 5 cents in US dollars. Now, usually one page will have around 300 words. For example, this typing name project right here is page number 1, and this is page number 2, and this is page number 3, and each of these pages can earn you money by simply typing names. Over here's the page where you can get paid $15 and the total word count is 300 words. When you scroll down below, you can see that this is one word. When I scroll down below, you can see there are a total of 300 names, meaning 300 words, and you can earn $15 per page just by simply typing names on this website. Take a look at this. We can receive 20 pages per day, multiply it by $15 per page, and you can easily earn up to $300 or even up to $400 per day just typing. First of all, I want you to come over to this website, which is talentdesire.com, which is a free earn money online work from home website. When you scroll down below, you'll see that they offer different opportunities to work from home, including online proofreading jobs, freelancing, blogging, language translation, online paid surveys, and other different jobs that you can do. Now, on this video, we're going to focus on online typing jobs because this is one of the simplest things that you can do on this website, and it requires no experience or tech skill at all. You can see here, online typing job, and I want you to go ahead and click on this red button right here to read more. You can earn up to $13,500 all the way up to $27,000 per year. It's a very good earning opportunity for people from any country in the world, and it's free. Depending on what level you are, you'll get paid different rates ranging from beginner all the way up to expert. Now, in just a moment, I'll give you a special bonus tip that can help you earn a higher rate so that even if you're a complete beginner, you can still get paid on an expert level. Now, I want you to go on to retatype.com. This is the homepage of this website where you can take a free typing test, and I want you to click on this yellow button right here, and then you're gonna come over to this page where you can actually start typing using a phone or using a computer. Go ahead and click on Start Typing Now. The reason why I want you to do this speed typing test is because this website offers you a free certificate, as you can see here. Now, you can get this certificate for free, and I'll show you all the steps in this video on how to get it, and the reason why you need a typing certificate is because that'll boost your income and your earning rates per page. Make sure you receive this certificate if you want to earn $15 for each page that you type. This is the greatest secret because even if you're new, having a certificate to show them that you can type will help you be accepted faster. By just typing names, you can get higher paying assignments and a limited job opportunity that'll pay you up to $300 or even $400 per day. So, once again, it is important that you keep watching to learn how to get this certificate for free and complete your application on talentdesire.com. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that will be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. Now, you can see when you start typing on this website, they'll start calculating how many words you can type per minute and also your accuracy, meaning how efficient you type without any mistakes. Your accuracy should be between 98% up to 99.99%. The higher your accuracy is, the more money you can make. By doing a typing test and taking a certificate on this website, you can actually show them your typing speed and also your accuracy, and that's gonna give you a higher payout rate. Let me show you a real-life example of doing these tests and how to get your certificate for free in less than 5 minutes. So once I finish typing, they'll show me my typing speed, which is 55.2 words per minute, and my accuracy, which is 98.2%. If your speed or accuracy is lower than 98%, don't worry, you can go back to this website and retake the typing test for free until you get a higher speed or accuracy. Once you're satisfied with the results, scroll down and sign up by clicking this link. By entering your name, email address, and password, agreeing to the terms and conditions, and clicking the sign up button, you can create a free account. You can see my name on my dashboard after logging into my RetaType account, and this is the result of my typing speed and accuracy. Now, if you scroll down below here, you'll notice that this is my certificate. Simply click on it and it'll bring you to this page where you can see that Digital was awarded for typing in English at a speed of 50 words per minute with an accuracy of 99.7%. They'll even show you the signature from RetaType.com to verify that the certificate is indeed real. This certificate is useful for you and you can get paid a much higher rate. Now, when you scroll down below here, you can click on this print button. You can do this on your phone or computer. You just have to save the image of your certificate or save it as a PDF file. Just click on the save button. You can see this is my certificate that I got from RetaType for free. You can start applying for this job once you have this certificate. So let's go to talentdesire.com and I want you to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and click on apply now till you get to this page where you can start applying for jobs. Now, pay close attention because this website's registration page is hidden. When you arrive on this page, scroll down to the bottom and you'll find a link that says select an application. Click on that link to be sent to a page with an online application form for work from home jobs. Now I want you to scroll down and look at this red link right here where you can fill out your information to apply and work with us. All you have to do is fill in your personal information, accept the privacy policy, and then enter your first and last names as well as your email address, phone number, and country by clicking on the down arrow. As you can see, they accept people from all over the world. Moving on to the next step is professional information. Now, this is very important. I want you to type on the preferred job title section, Professional Data Entry Specialist. Next, I want you to choose on all day. That's going to give you more opportunities and more jobs. When you click on this down arrow, you can actually choose from different payment options, but personally, I'll just choose PayPal for my current profession status. Once you fill out all of the details, you can click on this box to accept the above statement, and for your signature, you just have to put in your full name, click on I'm not a robot, and then click on the submit button. Once you've been accepted, you can start receiving typing name jobs like this where one page can earn you $15 for just 300 words, and you can earn another $15 for the second page here, and another $15 for page number 3, and so on. Just make sure you submit your job on time to keep receiving new daily jobs. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you'll start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell. Like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money-making videos, go to the next video which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.